Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to another video. It's Ibrahim Muslim and today we are back on a video on Hackintosh. So this is 10.14.2 Mojave beta, and also this video is for all the Mojave system out there. So this video is to cater the annoying problem that people are having in opening the preview and it keeps on loading. Picture can be like just in KBs, in few MBs to the maximum size, but that does not appear on the system, and the system does not work even if you try to open the picture in QuickLook or in preview. So like this, the pictures can't be open in this way. So the issue basically is when you update to Mojave, your system just kind of work very annoyingly, and this is mainly happening to people who are using AMD cards. And on Mojave there are only two supported types of cards. One is your Intel integrated graphics card and the second one is the AMD cards. So there is still no support for Nvidia, and that's extremely rude and careless about Nvidia people, or you can say those with the Nvidia graphics card. So how to fix this issue? So right now you can see it's properly working, and for me the best fix is to change the type of your iMac identifier. So right now I'm using iMac 18,3, and that was persistent if I was using 18,3 when I did the installation and I was having that error. But to fix it, there is one good thing. If you're on Kaby Lake system or Coffee Lake system, on SkyLake system, I will prefer you to go to the iMac Pro configuration. And if we go to Clover configurator, we open here, and then in SM BIOS, what you have to do is you have to go down here and you have to choose the iMac Pro, this one. So iMac Pro are the graphics card which come with Vega 56 and Vega 64 graphics card, and these systems are optimized for AMD. And I 18,3 and 18,2 and 17 and 16, all of these also come with AMD graphics card. But I don't know, switching to iMac Pro for like 4 or 5 restarts fixed that problem. So what I did was I shifted to Mac Pro for like couple of days, and then I shift back to 18,3 and the errors was gone. And even switching right to the iMac Pro fixes the issue. Like if you just restart in the iMac Pro, it will fix. And if somehow your system is on iMac 14, which means you are on 4th generation, or on your 5th generation iMac 16, and if you go to iMac Pro 11, your system crashes, it does not boot properly. What you have to do then is you can do two fixes then. If your iMac Pro stuff crashes, is the SM BIOS of iMac Pro crashes, what you have to do is you have to go and you have to select iMac anything, iMac, where is iMac? You can select iMac any of this, and then you can go here and right in here you change it to iMac 17,1, iMac 17,19, sorry, not 17. You have to change the 17 to 19, and then you have to go here and you have to enter 1 instead of 7, and then you can restart. This will fix your problem by 99% of chances, or you can say by 95% of chances. And even if this does not work for you, then what you have to do is you have to boot with Mac Pro 11. So you go here and you search Mac Pro. I can't find Mac Pro. Oh yeah, you have to search Mac Pro 11 and you have to switch here. And if your system crashes on Mac Pro 11, then go for Mac Pro 51. There are 99% chances that it will fix your system, and then you can go back to 18 or 14 or 16 or whatever version of the SM BIOS you were using previously. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you out and fixes your preview issue and your quick look issue, and I hope this video is not delayed too much. I was about to make this video like on the very few days of the Mojave, but I kind of forget about it, so that's why I'm making this video right now. So I hope this video fixes your issues, and if you're currently facing the issue, and for all the users who are shifting to Mojave. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and keep subscribing, keep sharing, and take care of yourself. Until the very next video, Allah Hafiz.